Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal like McDonald's updated. Start by combining equal parts rolled and quick oats with water, a pinch of salt, and a small pat of butter, then simmer gently. Stir frequently to prevent clumping and to achieve a creamy texture, scraping the pan sides. Finish with brown sugar and a dash of apple juice for that familiar sweetness that shines through without overpowering. Gather simple ingredients and basic tools to get consistent results every time. Use 1 cup total oats, split between rolled and quick, with 1 1/4 cups water and an 1/8 teaspoon salt. A small knob of butter and 1 tablespoon brown sugar finish the flavor. Use a medium saucepan and a sturdy spoon for stirring. A lid helps hold heat, but remove it near the end to control thickness. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy, practical recipes. Quick recommendation: I love the socks you see here. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They make morning routines cozier, even when ladling oatmeal. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Timing and gentle heat are the secrets to restaurant-style oatmeal. Once water reaches a gentle boil, add the oats and reduce to medium-low, stirring every 30 seconds to keep the porridge smooth and lump-free. Cook until the mixture thickens to a scoopable consistency, adding a splash of water or milk if it becomes too stiff. Finish by stirring in butter and brown sugar for sheen and balanced sweetness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.